Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install WordPress on Godaddy web hosting. Now Godaddy is very famous web hosting as well as a domain provider, so you can get both domain and hosting on their website, and they have very reasonable prices. So if you want to check it out, I will provide a link in the description. So go there and you can buy both domain and hosting and can start your website. Now one thing more about Godaddy is they have very powerful live chat system which responds very quickly. So for that you will have to go to their help section and click on live chat. Now there you can chat about your website and they will provide you guidance and will solve your problems. Now this is the Godaddy guides. You can ask for your problems or even you can install WordPress with their help, but they will charge you some money. But in this video I will show you for free that how you can install WordPress there. So for installing WordPress you will need to buy a domain and hosting. Now this is my client and he already buy a domain and hosting. So once you buy your domain and hosting, just log into your account and you will see this interface. Now when you scroll down you will see your domains and your hosting. Now to install WordPress you will go to your web hosting section and click on manage. Now you can close this pop-up and you will see this interface. Now to access your cPanel you can click this button where you can install WordPress, and also you will find a link here, install application. So you can click any of these. Let me click cPanel admin. And this is the control panel which almost all the web hosting have the same interface. Here you can access your file manager, your databases, you can create add-on domains, subdomains, and also you can backup your website. So almost everything is present here in the cPanel. Now to install WordPress, scroll down and you will see web applications, and here as you can see WordPress is present. So I'll click this. Now if you already have some installation, like if you have multiple domains, then it will show you your applications here, that how many times you have installed WordPress. Here you can keep your backups, and to install a new you will see this interface and just click this install this application button. Now this is the basic setup. That choose your domain on which you want to install WordPress. Choose a directory. For example, you want to keep your WordPress in a subfolder like this one, then you can create a folder for this, but we will not create it because we want our website directly on this domain. Now choose the latest version, your language, and leave these all as default. Here choose a username and password for WordPress login. So I'll write and then write your email. Now this is website title, so give it a title. I'll write my blog for now and we'll choose this tagline. So website title is the title which appear here, and tagline also appear with title. So choose your website title and tagline and then simply click install. Now once you see this interface, then you have successfully installed your WordPress. So let's check how it looks. Now as you can see, this is the default 2020 theme of WordPress, which means that we have installed our WordPress. Now to access the WordPress dashboard, click the second link here. Now when you install WordPress for the first time, they will show you some starter guide. So if you want, you can go with them and choose a theme and then they will install it for you. But I'll simply exit to WordPress dashboard. And that's it. Now we are in WordPress dashboard. We can install themes, plugins, and can create our website. Now how to create a website, I'll create another video for that. For now, this was just for installing WordPress. So hope this will be helpful for you. If you have any question, then you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next